In this video, we will discuss the condition for NMOS transistor and PMOS transistor to be in linear region, saturation region and cut-off region. So for NMOS, the threshold voltage is always positive. For NMOS, the threshold voltage, so the threshold voltage is denoted by VTN. So VTN is always positive. The threshold voltage is always positive for NMOS. And if VGS is less than VTN, if VGS is less than VTN, the threshold voltage for NMOS, then the transistor is in cut-off. If VGS is less than VTN, the first condition we check is that if VGS is less than VTN, then the transistor is cut off. If VGS is greater than VTN, if VGS is greater than VTN, then the transistor can be linear or saturation region. The transistor can be linear or saturation region. So these are the two conditions. First of all, that if the VGS is less than VTN, then the transistor is cut off. If VGS is greater than VTN, then the transistor can be in linear or saturation region. Now if the transistor is in linear region, the condition for the transistor to be in linear region is VDS must be less than VGS minus VTN. This is the condition for linear region. This is the condition for linear region of NMOS. First we are discussing the NMOS. So VDS must be less than VGS minus VTN for the transistor to be in linear region. And if VDS is greater than or equal to VGS minus VTN, then the transistor, our NMOS transistor, is in saturation region. If VDS is greater than or equal to VG minus VTN, then the transistor is in saturation region. Now for PMOS. For PMOS, the threshold voltage is always positive, always negative. The threshold voltage is always negative. And VGS must be more negative than threshold voltage. So VGS must be less than VTP. Suppose if VTP is minus 1 volt, then VGS must be equal to minus 3 volt. Then the transistor is in linear region. Then the transistor is in on region. On means linear or cut off, linear or saturation. If VGS is less than VTP, then the transistor is on. So on means the transistor can be linear or saturation region. Now if VDS is less than VGS minus VTP, if VDS is less than VGS minus VTP, then the transistor is in saturation region. If VDS is less than VGS minus VTP, then the transistor is in saturation region. And if VDS is greater than VGS minus VTP, then the transistor is in linear region. If VDS is greater than VGS minus VTP, then the transistor is in linear region. So the curve for this looks like this. This is VDS, this is ID. This is VGS minus VTP. And this is negative axis of VDS. So if VDS is less than VGS minus VTP, then this is the saturation region. The current gets saturated. and this is the linear region. So when VDS is greater than VGS minus VTP, then the transistor is in linear region, and when VDS is less than VGS minus VTP, then the transistor is in saturation region. So on this side of the dotted line it is the saturation region, and on the right hand side of the dotted line it is the linear region. And if VDS, and on this side it is the cutoff region, no current flows. So this is the conditions for NMOS and PMOS to be linear or saturation or cutoff. Similarly for NMOS we can draw the curve like this. So this is VGS minus VTN and denotes NMOS, and here P denotes PMOS. So when VDS is greater than VGS minus VTN, then it is the saturation region. So this is the saturation region and the current gets constant here. So on this axis VGS is greater VDS is greater than VGS minus VTN. This point is VGS minus VTN. So it is the saturation region, just like we have written here. VDS is greater than equal to VGS minus VTN, it is saturation region. And on this side of the dotted line, VDS is less than VGS minus VTN, so it is the linear region. In linear region it is like a straight line. So this is for NMOS, this is the condition for NMOS and the PMOS, and these are called the output characteristics. These are the output characteristics. This is output characteristic for NMOS and this is output characteristic for PMOS. If you have any doubt you can comment in the comment box.